Material handling is part of most jobs. Whether you realize it or not, it can be dangerous. Material handling is the movement, protection, storage, and control of materials and products in the workplace. Material handling can be performed manually or with the assistance of machines like pallet jacks and forklifts. Manual lifting presents many physical hazards. It's not as simple as going over and picking something up. Overexertion and repetitive motion injuries are among the top 5 most reported injuries in the rental industry. Many work-related injuries are caused while lifting objects. There are many factors that cause lifting-related injuries, like the weight of the object being lifted, having inadequate handholds, environmental factors, having an awkward posture while lifting, and high frequency of lifts for long durations. To help avoid injuries, follow these lifting techniques. Keep your feet apart, one alongside and one behind the object. Keep your back straight, nearly vertical, and bend at the knees instead of the waist. Tuck your chin in. Grip the object with your whole hand. Tuck your elbows and arms in. And lastly, keep your body weight directly over your feet. Sometimes even these lifting techniques aren't sufficient to safely lift certain objects. There are some situations where objects are too heavy and require a partner or lifting equipment to help you. Make sure you never overexert yourself trying to solo lift a package. When in doubt, utilize a fellow workmate to execute a team lift. When moving a large amount of material or heavy materials long distances, consider using a pallet jack, forklift, or other lift assist device. Forklifts can be a great piece of equipment to help expedite the material handling process, but when used in an unsafe manner, they can create additional hazards in the workplace. All forklift operators must be trained and certified to the requirements of OSHA regulations 1910.178L. All operators must be at least 18 years old and properly trained before operating a forklift. Here are some good tips to maintain safety when working with or around forklifts. When carrying a load that creates an obstructed view, travel in reverse and make sure to look in the direction of travel. If you must go in the forward direction, get a spotter. And always maintain 360 degrees of awareness when operating a forklift. When coming to an intersection or blind corner, remember the stop, look, and go method. When approaching any corner with limited visibility, come to a complete stop. Look as far as possible in the direction or directions with limited visibility. Then, with the coast clear, proceed on your route. Remember to sound your horn when operating a forklift before proceeding. Following these safe work practices can make the task of material handling much safer and reduce accidents and injuries in the workplace. For additional safety training content, visit Rental U today. Now get out there and make safety a priority.